Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add captivating transitions to your videos on CapCut PC. So I just selected these two clips to add right now, and then I'm just going to go to video transitions here, and I'm going to add in, for instance, let's say this pull in video transition to this video. But for instance, what if I wanted to add in another video transition to make it even more dynamic? I'm just going to put this line in the middle. I'm going to then select both, right click, create compound clip, and I'm going to split that in the middle again. Then I'm going to add in a video transition in between that so that it adds in another video transition on top. Unfortunately, you cannot add another one. Like, you cannot select both and then create compound clip again, but at least you can add in two to create a dynamic video transition on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!